guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can rate games on Roblox. So for instance, you really like a game and you want to rate it high, so select the game that you like. I quite like this game. I really like this game. Anyways, to rate it, you can favorite it. You can favorite it, and then you can go down and you can vote it up. Oh, actually not available. Oh, because I haven't played it long enough. Long story short, this is a different account from my personal one. But just vote it up. But I think it's because I haven't played this game for like a long time on this account. Trust me, I played this game like long hours. Anyways, that's how you can rate games on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.